Welcome back to another video. So this is part 2 of the series for the Audi S3. And so we're at Dallas's house right now. Right now we are in his garage. We're cleaning up his wheels currently, but we're about to pull in the Audi here in just a little bit. So yeah, check out these wheels. Inside this Honda Civic, so these are Acura seats. They are so comfortable. So they're leather seats in here. We have the Acura shifter as well, and so that's the standalone ECU. And then this switch here turns on the fan, so it's pretty nice. Sparco steering wheel, wide rear view mirror, the sunroof as well. Yeah,
what we did have on here. We got rid of the GSRs to put on brother.
Oh, yups. In the part 1 of the video, we took a ride in his Civic, and so that was with the middle of the exhaust flange sort of hanging, but now it's all fixed. We'll go for a ride here in a bit. All right, so we have the mods here. So those are the 2 shocks or struts, the entire front end suspension, and so we have the parts here. So we'll be installing the NGK spark plugs, of course. We'll do the struts first and then install this turbo inlet as well.
Where it's like,
Somebody overturned this. This is ridiculous. So check this out. This is what the dealership recommended. So the driver's side strut. Essentially, what happened was that they said that this was salvageable, but only the strut was recommended to be replaced. This part got stripped off or cut off. I'm not sure what happened, but I bought the car like this from Daytona Motors, essentially. So that's the part number right there. You know, it's composite video, check that out. But I do have aftermarket struts, and voila, hopefully everything goes well. So check this out. This is a 18 mil. We have Milwaukee. You dig, Milwaukee? We'll just slide it up here for the sway bar end link, and then that is how we take it off. Just put it on the gun here. There we go. And then we just, there we go. See, that is off.
dude, that never happens on any car. Like on older cars, that shit'll spin, so you just struggle getting it off.
So to take this part
this one
off,
doesn't have a horn.
So
this
this
is a type of bolt, like as far as being a hexagonal, angle, or Allen wrench one. It's a triple square bolt.
this size right here, it just goes in here. I don't know what size that is, but yeah, y'all can see it.
It's at the very end of the part number.
I might need an extension.
That's a lie. It's not on here.
So it's an 18, the 18 socket, same bolt as there. It just goes here, right? Because when we're loosening it, you know what I'm saying? We just. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you're right. Smart idea.
Let me hold the camera for you.
Oh yeah, please. Okay, bolts off. Nice.
Guys, don't let your rotors look like this, okay? Please.
Amen.
Surgeon's learning, but I'm just criticizing him right now. He already knows they're bad.
And then to take the top cowl off, don't be afraid, guys. Just. Oh.
Yeah, that happens a lot. So you got 3 13mm bolts on the very top of the strut to take off, and you're gonna pull and heave and hoe with all your might. 3 13mm right there.
Sweet. Now I do the other side.
Compressor. Let's go ahead and compare and contrast.
I mean, it looks pretty similar, right?
They're 100% identical.
Look what Dallas and I just found, right? So this is part of the strut. So this is the aftermarket eBay strut. This part right here, you guys remember that yellow clip that we took apart? On the old strut, the OEM one, this is where it was from. And so I guess this bottom piece got ripped off, but this completely plugs in. Perfectly plugs in. So that means my suspension light, it will be fixed. All the links of the parts will be down in the description below. All right, also don't forget this part right here. So this sits on the bottom of the strut, of the OEM strut. And so if you bought the complete kit, it should have already came with it. But essentially this will go on the bottom of the strut. And that part right there. So that's where this is where the spring will sit. So Dallas and I just finished up the driver's side strut, and so this is actually how the cowl is supposed to go. The plastic is over the rubber piece. I mean, according to a bunch of images that's related to it. So if this plastic piece is over it, it won't sit right. So that's why this part is there. Next up, we're going to do the spark plugs and the turbo inlet pipe. And so the coil packs are at home, so I'm gonna just do them at home. We're about to do the spark plugs because that's more important since I have a stage 1 tune. So all I gotta do is just loosen these guys and then a pick to take these off, and yeah, should be pretty easy. This is not supposed to be like that. That's a bad sign.
It's not the best sign.